Hi guys, and welcome to The Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. So your midweek meal system is so much easier. Okay, you come in, there's a meal ready for you, 15-20 minutes, half an hour in the oven without having to do any prep, and your dinner is ready for you. Now today we are making a new recipe, a really nice new recipe called Pepper Popper Hasselback Chicken. Okay, really easy to do. If you've ever seen Hasselback chicken before, I've made a few of these, and this is another take on it, and it's a really different meal to have. So I'm making it for 4 people. If you want all the exact quantities, cooking time, top tips, you will be able to print off this recipe free of charge at www.thebatchlady.com. So I won't always go through all the quantities, but I am using 4 chicken breasts. Okay, I am using some frozen, and I'm working fast because this is just out the freezer and I don't want it to defrost. Frozen sliced mixed peppers and frozen already sliced onions. You can buy these in your supermarket. Saves you chopping or doing anything, because we are about fast cooking on The Batch Lady, as fast as we can cook it. So I've already put these in little bowls of the quantities that I need, because I'm going to be working with raw chicken. I don't want to be putting my hand in and out some bags that I can use for later. So I've just taken out the stuff that I need so we can put these to the side just now. So we are also going to use some paprika, which is optional. If you don't have it, don't panic. It's not going to be the end of the world for the recipe, just carry on. And we're going to be using some Mexican sliced cheese, okay? So it's already sliced and it's got some little jalapenos and little chili peppers in it, okay? So what you want to do is you want to take your chicken breasts. You can see that, make sure you can see. And to Hasselback, we've done it before, anybody that watches The Batch Lady, but for anybody who hasn't, you are just slicing down in about 1 centimetre slices all the way down, but not through. You see it's still joined on at this side, so it's just not quite through, okay? And we're going to do that for the 4. Okay, so I am back, okay? We've got your paprika, and what we want to do is just give it a little sprinkling of paprika across it, and just give it a little rub in. In each little crevice, I'm just going to do 1 to show you. I'm going to put my red onions, still frozen, that's why I'm working quite fast, so you can make them look really neat and tidy. I'm doing this video and I never really edit much of it out, so I just like to do it as quick as I can. Okay, so I put my red onions. So if you can see that one, my red onions are in all the little slits, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my peppers as well. Then you want to take a slice of your cheese, and you might not need the whole slice, but you just want to sort of fold it up and put it in those little slots. Okay guys, so I have finished these up. They look fantastic. Okay, and all I'm going to do is wrap them up in the foil, and I'm just going to freeze them like that. This is a no-cook recipe, so I'm going to cook it once it comes out the freezer. So there's no need to cook it first. The reason I'm putting mine in 2 separate parcels, sometimes you can put it all in one if you want, is occasionally lately there's one of my children seems to be busy doing something, or there's only 2 of us eating, then 2 eating later. So I find it easier just to save food waste. I will just put them in 2 separate, so I'm not having to defrost 4 if I only want 2. So it's entirely up to you and the needs of your household as to how you do yours. So I'll put my first 2 in, and then my next 2. And I have labelled this bag, so it's labelled Pepper Popper Chicken times 4. It's going to cook for 35 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken breast. So always check them and make sure they're completely cooked through, okay? Because you get completely different sizes depending on where you buy them. 30 to 45 minutes, 180 degrees. All I would do is take these out the night before, come home from work, put them on a tray in the oven. These will be beautiful, served with, I'm going to serve these with just a very quick microwavable sachet of Mexican rice, okay? But you could serve it with anything. I mean, it would be gorgeous served with normal rice, potatoes. This is just going to be a quick meal for us that I can have Mexican rice and this and maybe a salad on the side. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this new Hasselback recipe. Please follow me, please tell your friends to follow me, and if you have an Instagram account, head on over and click link on Instagram if you already follow me on Facebook. That would be fantastic. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.